Hi everyone, welcome to another weekend in my life vlog. And because it's Friday, I'm picking up an iced espresso for myself with a little splash of soy milk to get this weekend started. Okay, so I'm back from work and I had that chile dulce with fried rice as a, you can almost call it dinner, but it's a really, really late lunch for me. But I am going to have another dinner later. Aaron and I are going out to Five Guys to get some burgers because today marks 5.5 years that we've been together. And yeah, it's not a 5 or 6 year anniversary thing, but you know what? You got to celebrate the little things in life. Tomorrow isn't promised, so you know what? Why not? I just want to have a good time. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do my nails. Get my nails done. I came to Burlington Coat Factory to walk off the Five Guys. Now we're just browsing.
It's gonna take more than walking.
Yeah, it's gonna take more than walking after what we ate. But no regrets, no regrets. It was really, really good. So it's worth it. Getting some bras and underwear. Are you could stop at Jollibee before we head back home.
Oh
Oh, look at that. So good. Oh, this night's never ending. Now we're at Total Wine.
I'm excited for the holidays. So.
Me too. My back hurts. Everyone, happy Saturday. We are about to head out to go see that musical, Ain't Too Proud, which is a musical about the Temptations, which are the huge musical group from the 60s. I can't wait. I've been wanting to go see this since I first heard about it. I love Motown and I love live theater, and I really, really, really love Jersey Boys. So anytime there's a show about a band like this, a group, I'm there. Go to the theater. I enjoyed every second of it. I even got very emotional at the end. It was it's better than I expected. That's for sure. You guys should see it if it comes to your town or just anywhere. It's really, really, really good.
Oh, go, Julie, go.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Last night we went to Aaron's aunt's house for his little cousin's birthday. So those were the shots you saw of the food. And yeah, we had a good time. And now it's just back to lazy Sunday, recovering and just relaxing. do a taste test. They don't look appealing, but my mom had one and she says that they're really good. So my mom approves, then it's good. So they smell like one. They're good. It's a success. A little burnt, a little toasty, not smooth, but as long as they taste okay. As long as they taste okay, then we're good. Okay, so I'm back from work now, and work was a lot of fun. A lot of people dressed up, so it was really cool to see. I love it when people get into the Halloween spirit and dress up. Yeah, so now it's Halloween night, and it's time to give out candy.